Hello, my name is Jeremy, and I run the Facebook page and YouTube channel Atheism versus Logic. So yesterday I asked on my Facebook page for people to post articles that they think is evidence or helps them believe that life could arise without a creator or even a complex molecule inside life. And so someone posted this one. And it pretty much, like a lot of others, focuses on the shell, the lipid bilayer coming together, and they're calling it a protocell. And so I just want to help people be skeptical about this, because I think what happens is a lot of articles like this mislead people because they don't have a lot of scientific knowledge, or they've also have the desire to not believe in a creator. All right, we got to admit that exists, that some people don't want to believe in a creator. And then we all know that a lot of people don't really have that much knowledge about what is going on inside of a cell. So inside of the most simple form of life on Earth, there is DNA, which holds all the genetic code. And then there's a protein to take a section of that code to be translated into a protein. And then there's the great, for me, the most obvious evidence for a creator is translation. It's very similar to 3D printing, where you've got code in the machine to turn that code into a functional product. And that's what happens with biological translation. That with transcription is known as protein synthesis. And so you've got that, and then you've got these protein chaperones that help make sure that the parts are what they should be, that they don't just get unfolded wrong and misfolded, and it's just amazing. And then you've got the machinery to power the other machines, known as ATP synthase. And then you've got the amazing FITS protein that can cause a cell to divide into two, which is just amazing. So you have an amazing dance between code and machinery that comes from code, that helps other machines, that copies the code, it's just amazing, translates the code. So that's what's happening inside every living cell. So my goal is to help atheists understand science better and to help them be more skeptical. So when you see an article that gives you basically, next to nothing, it's just giving you the shell, right? It's not explaining the most intricate and obviously designed parts of living cells, which is the code, the storage of code, the copying of sections of code, the translation of code to functional products, the quality control of the parts, the power generator to generate power for the mechanisms, and then you've got the amazing ability to split into two with the DNA, the genetic code, intact on both parts. So anyway, that's what's going on inside of a cell. So hopefully anytime you watch a video or you see an article that just simply talks about the lipid bilayer, you're not convinced. Hopefully you're skeptical. So be skeptical.